Hey guys, it's Ashley from Nutty Reviews, and today I'm doing a little PR unboxing. This is just a little one. As always, I will link down below to my reviewer page where I will tell you guys all the companies that I use to get free stuff. All this was free. All I have to do is review it. I will also link to each of the products so you can see that stuff. Maybe the company, I don't know if it's relevant. So this first one was sent to me by 0.8L. It is I think a skin whitening cream, which I have only used a couple times, something like that. So I am honestly kind of curious to see. I think when they say whitening, because it's a Korean skincare product, they mean brightening. So they do whitening fluor complex serum. So they send a whole informational sheet, and I'm going to do a full review on this. I'm also going to do an Instagram post. If you're not following me on Instagram, do it. It's cool over there. So here's the product, which is gorgeous, right? This is from EUI Laboratories. I just unboxed something else from them. Their products are really nice. That cream was beautiful. No, not my plant. No. Oh, she tries to eat my plant. So this, okay. 3 pieces are in here. So is it a kit or is it like 3 different whitening sheets? We are going to find out. Okay. Put all my trash in there. It smells like plastic. All right. But like the box is interesting, right? Like look at that. How gorgeous is that? How do I get it out? Each of these exquisitely selected ingredients in the whitening fluor complex serum offers a superior benefit that works in synergy to brighten the complexion. Yeah, so when they say whitening, they mean brightening. I was like considering it for my redness because I do have rosacea. Whitening. So it comes with these 3 little vials here. We're not going to mess around with that. But I like the way it looked before with the thing in there. The flower paper. How you doing, moms out there, by the way? Summer vacay, y'all holding up? See, it was in there. It was really flat, though. All right. My kids are all fighting. All right. Pinch Me. You guys know about Pinch Me. This is free. My mailman actually told me that the day I got this. I was like, oh, it's Pinch Me. He's like, everybody gets this. I'm like, huh. It's more popular than I even thought. All right. So there's not a whole lot in here. They keep sending me the same. This foil sample here of whole blends from Garnier. I've literally never tried it once. Like, I just don't mess with foil samples. I pass them on to friends and stuff. Free box from Grace. I've never taken advantage of this. Maybe I should. What do you guys think? Do you subscribe to it? Let me know. Oh, free mayonnaise. I got to use this. Upgrade your mayonnaise. Delicious, creamy mayonnaise. I was like, oh, free mayonnaise. A Next Care Band-Aid. This is one of those waterproof, like, it's like that seal, like a clear seal Band-Aid. Those are actually really nice. And then here's a real mayonnaise like sample. So that's all from Pinch Me. They're 100% free. You just have to leave your feedback. Like feedback, you gotta go on and tell them what you think. A little bit like Daily Goodie Box. Smaller samples though. Daily Goodies all full sized. Okay, so this is from Buzz Agent. Buzz Agent has become one of the trickier companies to work with because they require you to, like, it used to be you'd get something, you'd take a couple pictures, you share it on Facebook or whatever, but everything changes. The site has gotten bigger, it's gotten a little more competitive, so when you write your reviews, you have to be very, like, concise, and you have to tell people certain things, and sometimes I'm just like, you know, like, is it, like, all the work you do, you might as well just go out and buy the $3 product. But I still sometimes I'm like, oh, that looks like a fun product. Like the last shampoo that I did, that was fun. Like I don't know that I would ever buy that product, but it certainly was fun. This, I was like, oh my gosh, I would love to try that. So this is a Prego. Don't wait for pasta night to enjoy a Prego family dinner. These are all like introducing Prego cooking sauces. So they've come out with an entire line of cooking. There's a creamy lemon parmesan, creamy marsala, garlic and Italian herb, tomato and fresh ricotta, and carbonara, which I'm actually making pasta carbonara tonight. I don't know which one I've gotten, but they come with coupons for any one Prego cooking sauce, 24 ounces or smaller, for free. I don't know how many are in here. But it does look like there's one included. Creamy lemon parmesan. This actually looks really good. And then just add chicken. So I know what I'll be making tomorrow. All right, so there is that. And that is everything that I got my PR like little, not subscription boxes through the past couple weeks since the last video. If you're interested in the full reviews, they'll be everywhere. You should probably follow me on Instagram because a lot of them go on Instagram. Some of them, I just don't, it depends on, you know, the requirements or whatnot. Some of them won't be on my blog. I will link to my reviewer page because that is very helpful if you're trying to become a reviewer. And then as always, thank you guys so much for watching. And my co-host says goodbye, say bye. She's too busy biting me. Bye guys, thanks.